Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kids Parenting and Tender Years. We are doing a series of activity based phonic learning for the language development of the child, and today we are learning about how we can use oral phonetic analysis. When I say oral phonetic analysis, it is basically using the oral sounds. We are going to analyze the phonic sounds. The importance of this is like the child will know the alphabet is not just about sounds. How we can articulate the sounds to make the words and use it in the day-to-day language, and it is about knowing around 45 sounds. So there is a series of 5 activities which has to be done one after the other. We will start with the ground rules remains the same when we are doing it here. So this has to be communicated to the child. So only one person has to talk, and either the adult or a child, and whenever the child has a question, the child can raise his or her hand, and the adult the child has to answer whoever the adult has asked the question to a particular child. And with this we start with the first set of activities, which is about listening to the last sound by the child. So how do we do this? This is again starts with the invitation, wherein we call a particular child and ask other children to join. So call out a child by saying there is an interesting activity with the orally telling about the sounds, listening to the various words, and the preparation is the adult is going to say few instructions, wherein I am going to say few words. I want you to listen carefully. I will ask you something. The one whom I will ask only will answer. Prepare a list of words that you want to introduce to the child. So simple words can be selected here, and the adult, if it is a teacher or a parent, we have to have few set of words already in place to do this activity. So once we have done the invitation and preparation, and once the children have been seated, we sit in a place and our presentation starts. Here the adult will start saying a particular word which is being selected. Take for example pram. What did I say? Mala. It has been asked to a particular child. So the child says pram. Again the adult asks, which is the last sound you listen to when you say pram? So the child replies. So it is in a similar way done to other child. Pumpkin. What did I say, Vijay? So Vijay will answer it as pumpkin. Which is the last sound you listen to when you say pumpkin? The child will reply. So continue in a similar manner with each of the word what you have decided for the activity, and ensure that all children get an opportunity to answer your question. So while winding up, the adult would say, we got to know many words and hope you all enjoyed it. We will continue with this activity tomorrow. So it is about knowing the last sound. So you give a word to the child and ask the child to repeat, what did I say? And the child repeats the word, and once the child repeats the word, then you say what is the last sound you listen to. So this is the first activity which we are going to do under oral phonetic analysis. The second activity is listening to the first sound. So again this is done on some other day. While continuing the activity of what is the last sound the child hears. Those activity will continue along with this, wherein the child starts listening to the first sound. Invitation remains the same. Call out one child, ask other children to join, and with the preparation, again I am going to say few words. Listen carefully. Whomever I ask, they will answer. With those ground rules being set, presentation is started by the adult, wherein again chair. What did I say, Mala? So the child says the word again, repeats the word chair, which is the first sound you listen to when you say chair. So the child replies. So table. What did I say, Vijay? Table. The child replies saying by table. which is the first sound you listen to when you say table? So the child replies. So here we wouldn't have introduced the sounds individually to the child. This is basically when we say those words, what sound the child is able to get it, the child will answer. So this is again done to continue doing it to each of the child whom you have called, and the words what you have decided to introduce to the child. So wind up again saying that we got to know so many words. We will do this activity, continue to do this activity tomorrow. So you will continue with this activity twice or thrice in a week, where child gets to know the first sound of the